Here is where most AI workflows quietly fall apart inside of a real team. It works great on new features. Everyone is happy. Then a bug comes in. Then a tech debt comes in. Then UX tweak. And without realizing it, people start treating each one differently. The framework was for features, so the bug gets handled the old way. Manually, from scratch, 4 work types, 4 different habits, and within a sprint or two, the system you were excited about is only running on a quarter of your backlog. It falls apart because it suddenly feels different for every type of work. C.R.A.F.T framework survives that because almost nothing changes. 4 out of 5 steps stay exactly the same. Context injection, your product Bible, does not move. Raw request capture does not move. Force edge cases does not move. Test and validate does not move. The only step that changes is step 3, ask for structure. And even there, you swapping a few lines and that's it. So let me show you on my schedule, in my language it's called Moj Raspored. New feature is the default. That's the priority algorithm you already watched us build. The same structure you've already seen. Story, acceptance criteria, dependencies, risks. Nothing new. Now, a bug fix. Say a modest worker displays someone who actually had priority and the spot goes to the wrong person. Watch what changes. You delete the last few lines and you swap it in once a bug needs. Reproduction steps, the exact sequence that triggers it. Severity, affected user percentage, how many people hits this, and regression risk. What else might break when you touch the displacement logic? The rest of the prompt is untouched. Tech debt. In version 1, the schedule live in a single WordPress option blob. Fine for demo, but 27 people submitted between 8 and 12 on Friday morning is a real concurrent load, and that storage choice won't hold. 2 workers submit at the same moment, and one silently overrides the other. So again, same prompt, different lines. Current architecture, target architecture, blast radius, everything that breaks if a change goes wrong. And UX. Right now, when a worker gets displaced, nothing tells them. No notification, no warning. They plan their whole week around second shift on Wednesday and the system has already taken it back. They only find out the next time they happen to log in, if they log in at all. That's the real cost. So the lines you swap in ask for the user flow pain points, the accessibility requirements, and device metrics, because these run on the desktop and on phones in Serbian language for people checking it in on break. 4 story types, 1 prompt, a few lines different each time. You don't relearn anything. And the output maps directly into whatever tool you're already using, Jira, Azure DevOps, ClickUp, Liner. The reference table on screen shows exactly where each section goes. You copy once, you paste once, and you are done. So after this point, you stop asking the questions that stop most teams cold. Can AI handle this type of story? You already know the answer. You are still the editor. The AI just learned to draft it in a different shapes, change a few lines, run the same system, and now your whole backlog goes through one process instead of 4.